get back to action on our class number 2 on the east side. Gary Warren from Selvo, Missouri, 8-second ride. And that's how we start out the class on our Lite Super Stocks. Once again, he is our option puller. Over in Warrensburg, Missouri on Saturday, June 20th at the Show Me Shootout. One distance in the book, that's 283 feet 10 inches. Yeah, unfortunately, he's going to hear those 2 letters that no one likes to hear. BQ. I generally like to hear those. Inches matter, correct? All right, he's got the chain tied. Green flag. Here comes Mark Ulmer with Eleanor. Good looking pass from Mark Ulmer. Needed to go in excess of 283 feet to take the lead. I think he did that and then some. All right, green light on the rock sled. Green flag on the track officials. Here he comes. Melvin Nelson out of Nebraska. It's Centsless. Well, unfortunately, I believe he stayed in that throttle beyond that 100-foot mark, so the right hand staying forward will look like to me. Let's see. On our premier bank, Lite Super Stocks. He was right on the edge the whole way. Yes, so this is the class mixture of both alcohol and here tonight. There's a few of you. Here we go. Duane Pfister, the old girl, Long Pine, Nebraska.
He didn't spend enough money yet.
216 Nelson from Nebraska with the Born Loser Lite. And right there for Melvin Nelson. 265 feet, 0.58, 265. And Superstock class, here he comes. Tom Scheffler, just for fun, from Hancock, Iowa. Ouch, 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 ouch.
Yeah.
Tractor says just for fun, but I don't think that was too fun of a ride there for Tom. Yeah, you might feel that tomorrow. He was doing everything he could too to stay in bounds. 268 feet, 0.16. Our current leader, Mark Ulmer, 316.05 with Eleanor, where the leader flag currently sits. Jim Scheffler's going to end up a little bit short tonight. 247 feet, .23. 247, 219 points champion. And also the winner at Warrensburg, Missouri. The weapon from Minnow, South Dakota, Mark Ulmer. Hey, did he do it? Needs to go in excess of 316.05. How about 3-1? Colin in Ottawa, Iowa, July 16th. Here he comes. Brian Boysen under construction. Yellow beer. Ryan, right there for Ryan.
He just about broke that tractor in two at Warrensburg.
Yeah.
Took a really tough landing on it.